hear that alarm go off? I'll explain. All right, so the reason why, look, as soon as he sees me, he starts doing that. Yeah. Anyhow, all right. I was recording the alarm because this is what they used to do to me, right? So whether, particularly when I was at my job, all right, there are days that I would come in, and as soon as I come in, I used to come in sometime in the afternoon, right? It didn't matter what time I would come in. As soon as I came in, they would turn on the alarm, the fire alarm, right? They would do it in the building too, right? And so they started doing it there. Now they turned it off after I started recording, right? And then when I paused the video, put my phone in my pocket, they turned it back on again. So yeah, this is the sort of things that they'll do. And I'll talk to you guys in the next video.